Okay, we will discuss one more topic, development in India. The major development in India during the period of transition were the following. So here we are going to discuss the major development जो हुए during transition period. Okay, let me revise you this one once more. The transition period in Europe was started around 14th century, right? And in India it was around 18th century, mid 18th. उस समय में the Mughal Empire was declining and emergence of regional kingdoms like Marathas and others. The defeat of Marathas उस समय mid 18 के टाइम पे थर्ड बैटल ऑफ पानीपत में Marathas were defeated by Afghans. And I hope you remember that there were three battles of Panipat. The first one was between Babur and that last Sultan of Lodi dynasty. Babur won that battle. Second battle was between Akbar and Hemu, and the third was between Afghan Ahmad Shah Abdali and Maratha. And slowly, that the conquest of India by the British and turning India into colony for British. You know the meaning of colony, right? So India was completely became the colony of British around the mid 18th century. The British policy in India, which impact the culture, economy, society, and all over development. And after, when India became the colony of British, the policies have like adversely affected the culture, society, and everything in India. Now the sources, we have some sources, कुछ proofs हैं हमारे पास. That's why we are saying ना कि transition period में ये सब चीज़ें हुई हैं. तो first is primary. Sources are two types: primary sources and secondary sources. First we will discuss the primary sources like official record, पेपर्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के कुछ कागजात, कुछ प्रूफ्स, ट्रेडिंग कंडीशन, उनकी पॉलिसीज़, रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ यूरोपियन कंपनीज like those of the Portuguese, Dutch and French. अपार्ट फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड और देशों के साथ भी हमारा ट्रेड होता था, लाइक पुर्तगाल, दिस डच एंड फ्रेंच. इनके साथ भी कुछ हमारे जो ट्रेडिंग रिलेशनशिप थे, तो ऑब्वियसली उनके पास कुछ प्रूफ्स, कुछ सोर्सेज होंगे. एंड देन वी हैव दिस ट्रैवल अकाउंट्स, बायोग्राफी, ट्रैवलर्स ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड घूमते रहते थे. ऑब्वियसली दे केम टू इंडिया ऑल्सो, और दे यूज टू मेंटेन जर्नल्स एंड अकाउंट्स. तो उनसे इन चीज़ों के बारे में पता चलता है. न्यूज़पेपर एंड पीरियोडिकल्स इन इंग्लिश, पेंटिंग्स, ड्राइंग्स, स्केचेस, फोटोग्राफ्स, फिल्म, ऑडियो, वीडियो टेप्स of famous personality, archaeological sources like building and monument and artifacts. ये सारे primary sources हैं. Now secondary sources, historical work written by contemporary historians. Historians वो scholars होते हैं जो history के बारे में क्या research और ये सब करते हैं. The socio-economic detail given in the literary works such as novels, play, poems, short story written by the British and Indian authors of the period. So these two are the secondary sources. Now we have to do some question answers now. Okay, see the question number 3. What does the term Renaissance mean? You can write from the answer here. Points to remember. This one. The term Renaissance means rebirth, refers to the movement that began in Italy by the 14th century as for the revival of the classical heritage of Europe. Now, next question. 3 developments that led the emergence of the modern age in India. 3 development. You can write any of 3 development from here. Okay, this will be the answer number 2. Now, mention 3 important development that paved the way to the emergence of modern work in the Europe in the 14th century. See the first question. You can write here from this one. The most significant development was the decline of feudalism. Till here you can write the first point. The second, the crusade provides an impetus to trade and commerce, increase the trade between eastern and western countries. The church, which dominated the medieval society, suffered a setback with number of strong monarchs challenge the non-religious power of the church. Okay, so there are, I think, 5 points. You can write any of the three. Okay, 2 more points over here. Just mention any 3 points. Now there was one question. What was the impact of Renaissance on painting and sculpture? Fourth one.